No, Pooja. So B is nothing but 4k whole square, 4 ones are k square minus k plus 2. थोड़ा देख ले रो देख कितना मेहनत करे देखो 4 square 16k square 4 into k will get minus 4k square minus into minus will get plus 4k then minus 4 2s are 8. Understood now? Next, this is both like terms. 16 minus 4 will get 12k square plus 4k minus 8 is equal to 0. I can make an equation by dividing by 4 because 4 is common in this. I'll get 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 is equal to 0. Now I have to factorize this minus 2 3s are will get minus 6 and I want plus 1 so I will take 3 2s are and 3 minus 2. 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2 equals to 0. Take 3k common, k plus 3 minus 2 common, sorry k plus 1 here, k plus 1. Here you will get k is equal to minus 1, another answer 3k minus 2 equals to 0, 3k equals to 2 and you will get k equals to 2 by 3. Done. Easiest one. Reem, you are doing good, but minus 1 will come and 2 by 3 will come. 2 by 3 you got right. Mallika, very good. Everyone look on your next one you try boys and girls. I request everybody. Okay, Afan. I request everyone not to message the answer. Next one you try. Everybody see here. First of all, is it possible to design a rectangular mango group? Is it possible means what? The first question they're asking whether it is possible or no. So first we should find out whether it is possible or no. Okay, we should find that. Now data is given. They gave length is twice the breadth. So let us start. Let the breadth be x meter. Then length is equal to length is how much? Length is what, boys and girls? Okay, Bharat, what is the length? If the breadth is x, then what is the length according to question? Very good, Prasanna, Soumya, Afan, Anirudh. Hey, no, Tejashwari, Ranjita, no. Supriya, no. Sanjana, Shweta, Shweta, no. Preeti, right. Rakshita, K, right. Sayed Tabrez, no. Umar Ahmed, no. Arey, more not twice, yaar. Anita, right. Twice, matlab multiply, yaar, Nikki. Twice, matlab what? 2x, yaar. Not 2 plus x, yeah. Not 2 plus x, yeah. My dear boys and girls, not 2 plus x, not 2 plus x. Twice means 2 into. 2 into, okay. If they give more, 2 more than, something 2 more than they give means 2 plus. But here they give twice, clearly twice. Correct time, India? Tanushri. Okay, chalo, next. Now, area they give, area. Area is equal to 800. So area of rectangle we will do. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Okay. Area of rectangle is 800 is equal to length is how much? Length is 2x into x. Correct now? So we will get here 2x into x. What will get? 2x square. So 800 is equal to 2x square. I can take this 800 here. 1 minute. If you get positive, real root possible. If you get negative, no real root, not possible. So b square minus 4ac, we will do it. Little process is lengthy, but it is compulsory. See, I am telling you, because in question only it is mentioned clearly. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A value is clearly 2, B value is 0 because x is not there. C is equal to minus 800. Carefully do. Now B square minus 4AC. B square matlab 0 square minus 4, A value 2 minus 800. 0 square 0 will get minus into minus will get plus, 4 to the 8, 6400. So we got B square minus 4AC is equal to 6400. So what you will write? You will write it is possible. Because we got real roots. It is possible because you got real roots. Now you can find out by any method. Now you can use any method. Okay. Now you can use any method. I will use the formula method. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of. Lengthy but not difficult. So x is equal to minus b nothing but 0 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac just we found. B square minus 4ac value is area of 6400. So that only we should write. Two into a value is what? 2 into 2 I think. So we can write x is equal to plus or minus 80 divided by 4. 6400 is nothing but 80, correct now? 6400 root of 6400 is what? 80. Perfect square. So you can write x is equal to 4 ones are 4 20s are. So x is equal to plus 20 and x is equal to minus 20 is the answer. We will take positive value, right? We will take positive value. So therefore, breadth is equal to x is equal to 20 meter. Length is equal to 2x. So 2 into 20 is equal to 40 meter. But remember, b square minus 4ac is compulsory. If you get positive or 0, then possible because of real root. But when you get b square minus 4ac is equal to negative value, then you should write not possible. What you will write? Not possible. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine the present. First of all, we should see whether it is possible or not. So, the sum of the ages of two friends are there. Let the age of two friends. See, sum they gave, sum is 20. The sum of those two friends' age is 20. So one friend age will take x, then what about other friends? If we take one friend's age is x, what about other friend's age who will message? Tell me, what is the answer? Sorry? No. No, Shweta, Zora, no, okay. Okay, no mistake. Oh shit, no. Yeah, Srinidhi, very good. Some students are replying good. So see, Rakshita can't reply because many students replied at the same time. 20, yeah, Shweta, right? Tanushri, no. Read the question, Tanushri. Chalo, no problem. Some students. See, okay, there are two friends. Like this is Vindhya and this is Tanushri. Total age is 20. Correct now? No, yes, Akshita, you're right. The Vindhya and Tanushri age is 20. We are taken for Vindhya X. Tanushri, I don't know. This is second friend Tanushri. I want to find Tanushri's age, then I will take this 20 X here. So Tanushri is the second friend, age will become 20 minus X. Many times we got in the question this kind of criteria. So let the age of two friend is X and 20 minus X we should write. So many times we got same criteria. Same thing we got. But still you were not able to identify. What is the meaning of product here? Product is multiply. Very good, Shweta. That is what? The product of their age. Both the friends' age. That is X minus 4 and another friend age is 16 minus X. Product is how much? 48. Multiply and go ahead. Multiply and go ahead. Hello? See here, X into 16 will get 16X. Yeah, very good. Some students got very good. I can see they got. So X into 16 I got 16X. X into minus X I got minus X square. 4 into 16 will get 64. Minus 4 into minus X will get plus 4. Is equal to 48. So let me do this. 16 plus 4. This is 16 and this is 4. We will get 20. Okay. Here minus X square. Minus 64 minus 48. So I can write this one now. Minus X square minus the plus 20x minus 64 minus 48, how much will get? Minus 112 will get. You get, because I want a minus, it is okay, minus also okay. So I will write now here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 1. Remember, here A is equal to what is there? A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to 20, C is equal to minus 112. Okay. So write down B is equal to 20, C is equal to minus 112. Apply the formula. B square minus 4AC. What is the B square? 20 square minus 4. A is minus 1. C is minus 112. 20 square we will get how much? 20 square will get 400. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 448 minus 48. So what do you write? Not possible. Why not possible? Because we got no real root. Not possible. Because we got minus answer. No real root, not possible. No real root, not possible, right? So no need to do anything further. First of all, it is possible to design a rectangular arc. Perimeter is 80. So we know a perimeter of rectangle. They gave perimeter of rectangle 80. They did not give any other thing. Just they gave the 80 and area they gave. We know the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Anybody know the formula for a perimeter of rectangle? Anyone know formula for perimeter of rectangle? Come on, Tabriz. What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Soumya, okay. Sanjana, okay. Ranjita, okay. Tabriz, very good. Prasanna, Supriya, Arfa, Shashidhar, no. Vijay Vishnu, no. Swayam Sancheti, good. Nikita, good. Zora, good. Right. So, some Yuraj, no. Yuraj, it is the formula for area. Area. Perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 of L plus B is equal to 80 they gave, so 80 we will take. Right? No, Preeti, what is that? This is the cuboid. Perimeter of rectangle is this. So you can divide this. This 2 will take down. We will get your L plus B is equal to 80 by 2. 2 ones are 2 40s are. L plus B is equal to 40. And this I can write L is equal to 40 minus B. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, fine. Chalo. Tabrez now 40 minus B. L plus B is equal to 80 by 2. 2 40s are 80. Correct? Now, Afan, right. Hopefully right. Okay. Aditya, understood, Aditya? Aditya, understood?
Camera. Aditya understood. Sir?
Now, next step. Now they gave about area. We will go for area. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So area of rectangle, what they gave, how much they gave? 400. In the place of length, I can write 40 minus B, correct? So that I'm going to do that. So in the place of length, I will write 40 minus B into B. I'll get an equation. 400 is equal to 40 into B, we get 40B minus B square. Okay. So we can write B square to make it positive. So I am taking this both here. B square minus 40B plus 400. Okay. Now you can go for the finding of B square minus 4AC. Now we can go for the, okay, Arun. This is the last sum. I think the data. Last sum it is. However, we are going to complete it. Can you hear me, everyone? Finally. Let us find out B square minus 4AC here. So B square is minus 40 square 4 into 1 into 400. 1600 minus 1600 we will get 0. So yes, real roots are there now. Real roots. So possible. So now you can go for the answers. X is equal to minus B. Because it is 0 is there, so minus B by 2A will be enough. Okay, minus B by 2A will be enough. So this X is nothing but breadth. See, it is nothing but breadth. We are finding breadth because equation we got in the form of breadth. Equation we got in the form of breadth. So minus of minus plus 40 divided by 2, 220s are. So we got X is equal to 20 and X is equal to 20. Equal roots will get, right? So you can write down length. Breadth is equal to 20 meter and length is equal to length is equal to what was that we got? 40? 40 minus B it was. So both we got length and breadth, both we got 20, 20. Both we got 20, 20.